Hello, it's Nike Destroyer and Nacho Cheese here. Today we're going to do a review on modern houses. And then
New series?
it's a new series. It's going to be building modern houses and then we're voting on whose we can build.
No, we're not voting. We're just reviewing.
Oh, we're just going to review. And then we're just going to build different things every single time. It's not always going to be a modern house. We're going to do like different things. And then, oh, here's my house.
It's 1 story.
It's empty at the moment.
We need to go IKEA. I need to tell.
Okay, this the second floor.
We're kind of poor. We need to go IKEA soon.
Third room. Okay, look. Now it's a swimming pool. Oh yeah, do it approved. Okay. Now I'm gonna have cannonball. Cannonball.
So yeah. Hey guys, we're back, and now it's my turn, Nacho Cheese's turn, to review this house. And ready, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! As you can tell, it's a little better than Nike Destroyers. I spent a little more time.
Took them like 3 hours.
No. It's pretty empty. Oh my god! Get out of here. Okay. It's my house, and you can tell we need to go IKEA still.
IKEA.
Okay, this is like this is the chandelier and the lights I put down. The chandelier. Okay, this is the upstairs. Really nothing, but
is that a secret room?
No. This is my bedroom.
I told you I knew.
See? And then the other rooms I need to break into because I haven't really finished it. See these other rooms? You can look at other people's houses and change.
Stalker.
We can stalk.
Peeping Tom.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So that's my house, and hope you enjoy this video, and leave a thumbs up if you like this house, and comment which house we do next, and
Put a thumbs down if you hate my house.
don't do that, and subscribe if you want, and hit that like button if you want to, it's your choice, and please do, just saying, I recommend you subscribe. You're cool if you subscribe.
I wanted it for the morning. Just kidding.
Just kidding, I know. Ready? Bye. What the heck?
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Pizza.
Hello. We're back, and we couldn't do this without blowing our houses up. It's the best part, right? Yeah, it is. Blow up your house up, Jeremy. Go, play the TNT. Nike Destroyer. Nike Destroyer, let's go.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's my birthday.
No cares. Just kidding.
My B-day.
My birthday next month.
I wish we had mods so we can do special episodes.
We can nuke the whole place. That'd be awesome.
Lucky blocks.
Lucky block mod. Lucky block mod.
It's not gonna destroy it all.
The Battlefield mod, we're gonna shoot places. That'd be cool if the Help the Villagers mod and the Battlefield mod would be are compatible. That'd be cool. Give the villagers guns. That'd be cool. TNT won't blow up in water, Jeremy.
I don't care. Looks cool.
Jeremy, can you please hurry up? Okay, light it!
Hold up. Gotta put some inside too.
I'm pretty sure I'll blow the whole thing up. Okay. A little more TNT than I expected.
Wish I had the nuke. I could just put one down.
I know. Okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. We all gotta take turns, you know.
Yeah, we're just gonna blow up my house.
No, my house too.
No, my house is gay.
My house is not gay. Okay, I think that's enough.
We need to destroy it for good.
I think it's straight for good now.
Okay, good.
Escape the house. Go, 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 go. Get out of there, get out of there. Let's get a good view. Uh-oh. Turn around, I want to see. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that did it.
Yeah, we're good. That should finish him.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's my turn. Be right back. Hey guys, we're back, and we're back, yeah, and now it's my turn to blow up my house, and I'm pretty sure we have enough TNT. There's TNT in here. TNT in here. And there's TNT in my house, in my bedroom, and on top of the roof. And I have a flame bow, and I'm ready to fire. Ugh. Oops, I missed. Finish him! Yeah! Episode 1 of the series, and it is a success. Success. Take that out, and one more for that. Okay, that is success. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like for more videos like this, and hope you enjoy. Bye.